Hi guys, welcome to our video. Today we're gonna have a building competition.
And with bungems.
Yeah, wait, you're not showing it to the camera. You're supposed to show it here, right here. See these tiny little balls.
Now, now, let's start the main,
Anything. 3, 2. Have you got your build in mind?
yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
What should I build? Technically, I need the yellow crown.
What should I build? I can't think of anything to build, bro.
Mayora.
Wow, wait. I'm gonna think of something. Oh, I'm cooked. I haven't known anything yet. Okay. Yes. Do it.
Where's that yellow crown?
Okay, and we cannot tell what we are doing.
Where's
our
the
viewers.
yellow crown?
Okay, guys. We're not gonna give you any context of what we're building. You're gonna put your answers in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. More building competition tomorrow. See you soon.
Let's start. Okay.
I can. I have think of mine. And I need green.
All of the green.
I just need green for the eyes. No, wait. Actually black. But with a little bit of green on it. I don't know how to do that. But I'm just gonna build whatever it is. You're gonna guess what we are building, guys. Put your answers in the comment.
Everything that a friend prays the Lord. Worship God. But it's not only well, 2 arms and then 2 legs.
Do we have enough purple?
I don't know.
But its color isn't actually purple. Purple is the closest to its color. So that's why I'm picking purple. Oh, I think I know who you're building. Okay, guys. We're gonna see you soon. I don't want you guys to be bored. So I'm just gonna cut the video and go to the part where we're finished. Is that okay to you? Okay. So guys, to your guys boredom, I'm gonna cut it. Go. Okay, guys. This is what I made. I'll give you a hint. Before she's dead or her death, she said, all I know. Okay, go.
And this is what I made. I ran out of orange, so I did this.
Okay, guys. I ran out of purple. Then I switched to blue. Then I switched to red because I ran out of blue. Okay. Guys, comment down below who would win. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, say that to them. Wait, no. Oh. Okay. Take off your foot. Now, say it to them.
Bye-bye, guys.
Oh, why are you forgetting to say subscribe to Virgilo Reveles or Mr. Handsome
Subscribe to Mr. Handsome.
or Virgilo
I don't know.
Reveles.